React Native gives you 3 navigators: stack, tab, and drawer. Pick the wrong one and your app's UX falls apart. Pick the right one and interviewers know you actually build production apps. In the next 7 minutes I'm breaking all 3 down: what they are, when to use them, and how to nest them together. Let's go. Stack Navigator is the push and pop model. You navigate to a screen, it gets pushed onto the stack. You hit back, it pops off. Think of it like a stack of cards. The user can always go back to where they came from. This is your go-to for any linear journey: login flow, product detail page, checkout, any multi-step form. The code is straightforward: create Stack Navigator, wrap your screens. Every screen inside automatically gets a header with a back button. Tab Navigator is for peer-level screens, sections that are equal, no hierarchy. Instagram's bottom bar? That's a Tab Navigator. Home, search, reels, profile, they're all at the same level. No screen is a parent of another. Key thing to know for interviews: all tab screens mount on first render. Switching between tabs is instant, but you're keeping multiple screens in memory. Use Create Bottom Tab Navigator, 2 to 5 tabs max. Beyond that, reach for Drawer. Drawer Navigator gives you a slide-out menu. You swipe from the edge or tap the hamburger icon. The drawer panel reveals itself over the main content. This is your pattern when you have too many sections for a tab bar: 6, 7, 10 sections. Think admin dashboards, content management tools, B2B apps with deep settings. One subtle advantage: drawer screens are lazy loaded by default. The section doesn't render until the user actually opens it, better for performance-heavy apps. Here's what trips up most developers: real apps nest all 3 together. The most common pattern: drawer at the root, tab inside drawer, and a stack inside each tab. Why? Because each tab needs its own history. If you tap into a product detail on the Home tab, you want the back button to go back within Home, not jump to search. That's exactly what Stack Inside tab gives you. In code, you just use a Stack Navigator component as the screen component for a tab screen. That's the whole trick. So how do you answer this in an interview? Stack for depth. The user goes deeper into a flow. Tab for peers, 2 to 5 sections at the same level. Drawer for many, too many sections for a tab bar to look clean. And nest them together for real production apps. 3 extra facts that impress interviewers. Stack destroys screens on back navigation, good for memory. Tab mounts all screens up front, instant switching but higher initial cost. Drawer lazy loads, great for performance. The one-liner you need to remember: stack equals depth, tab equals peers, drawer equals many, nest all 3. Drop your app's navigator structure in the comments. I want to see what you're building. Subscribe so you don't miss any videos. See you Sunday.